We got a question from Rob Axelson. Do I use anything for anti-foam? How do I deal with hot break? I have never used anything for foaming. I know I got sent like a little bottle of anti-foaming agent. It's just in a drawer unopened. I never use it. I never had a problem with foam. I mean, yeah, it'll foam up and boil over. Especially if you're near the top of your kettle, like my old kettle was. I would fill that thing almost to the very top. This little kettle right up here that they can't see off camera. Because it was an 8-gallon kettle. I would put like 7 gallons of pre-boil wort in the thing, and I'd always be watching that thing, you know. But now I got these bigger kettles. There's a lot more head space, a lot more room for air. The stuff starts to bubble up. I just stir it in, right? And then the hot break, sometimes I leave it there. Sometimes I skim it off. I mean, it depends. If I'm bored and watching the thing boil, I'll skim it. If I'm busy doing other stuff, I'll just leave it in. I mean, it stays behind in the kettle anyway when you cool it down later and rack it, hopefully. So who cares?
In the kettle.